GitHub Copilot just built and deployed a Power Automate flow from the chat message. I'm Catherine, and I test AI agents on real Power Automate work. In this video, I'll show you the setup, the build, and how it fixes its own mistakes. You only need three things: vscode, GitHub Copilot, and the FlowStudio API key. The links are in the description. vscode is just where Copilot runs. FlowStudio is the bridge that lets Copilot work with Power Automate. Open vscode, then create a new folder. I'll call my GitHub Copilot demo. Inside this folder, we'll create a folder called .vscode. Then we'll create mcp.json file. Now we paste the code from mcp.flow-studio-mcp with the server details. This tells Copilot where the MCP server is. We click on Add Server. And now we open Copilot chat and switch to the agent mode. If the tool appears, you are connected. Start with something simple. If it can list your environments, the connection works. Good. Now we know Copilot can see Power Automate. Now let's build something real. I asked the agent to build in my demo environment for a flow that runs a certain time in a week. So it checked database or pending approval where I'm the sender or approver and send me a summary in Teams. And I also put in one prompt that the agent need to test and validate the message so it's real. Because this flow, I asked for a recurring trigger. I asked the agent to first build it with HTTP trigger for testing, and then once complete, change to schedule. Watch the steps. It finds the environment and check the available connections. Now it's creating the flow. Then it hits a problem. This is important. It doesn't stop at something failed. It reads the error, it changed the flow, and it tried again. Now, there it is, real-time message. Real data built from one prompt. Let's verify in the designer. Here is the flow in Power Automate. Recurring trigger, database query, formatting, team message. So this is not a mock-up. The flow is live. Building is nice. Debugging is where it gets useful. So on the flow that we just created, now I purposely change one place so it will cause the flow run error. Now we come back to Copilot. Let me ask him the question. We first check the flow runs. It identified the flow run with the failure. And then extract the error. To know deeper, we need to know the input-output actions. Here it goes. So it answered the error in detail because nobody at FlowStudio, that app, is not the real email address and caused the error. That's how Copilot AI agent build and debug the Power Automate flow. Subscribe us if you want to see more real AI agent with Power Automate.